I'm very happy that they have on the way to process that the visa issuing office will start in 26. That is why they were very happy that a lot of fortune companies and very big investments are coming to Bangalore. They look Bangalore as a very prominent place, and Karnataka, especially Karnataka, they are very happy with our cooperation and the state's development. So I think next 2026 we'll have an and they said, they assured us that the issuing process also, the timing of this visa also will be a little bit good like other important.
Sir, the issue of this
Very serious. Government is very serious. Already CM is looking out on the legal aspect. We'll come back to you as early as possible.